Hi everyone, we are going to discuss about crop tools in Photoshop. Okay, see here, this is a crop tool icon. If we do right click, we could able to see the tools. Okay, fine. In crop tools, we have four types. First one, crop tool, perspective crop tool, tool, slice select tool. We will see one by one. Okay, first we will go for crop tool. For that one, I have taken a image. Okay, whenever I have selected the option, if you could see, it is have selected already. Okay, we can crop. Okay, now cropped. Okay, so you can crop at any with any sizes, but if you want to crop perfectly, just go with these options. Okay, this is the original ratio how it was, 1 into 1 square. If you click this option, it will crop in this size. Okay, see, 1 into 1. Okay, cropped image, right? I don't want other area in this image. In this image the coat is highlighted. Okay, fine. See, these all sizes are similar. Specifically, I mean, you can also put one specific size. Okay, size and resolution same. You can give the width by custom, how many inches you want, height you want. Okay, fine. Let's go to another option. Here only you could able to see straighten. For that one, I have selected one image. Okay, see, in this image the photo is taken bit slight rotated. So we want this image straight, the front view. Okay, for that one, straight, you need to select this option, straight, and select the point and select the end point. Okay, now see how the actual image you are could able to see, right? Do enter. Okay, this is the feature of straighten image. Okay, again I am showing, you need to give a start point, you need to provide an end point, the image is rotated. Now do enter. Okay, fine. Now we will go to next to perspective tool. Okay, perspective tool means, see, this image is also in a different perspective angle. You have, you like this image, you want this. Okay, this is an art gallery, but you want this image in a straight. If you go with this option, you could able to select only the area it was, how it was directly. Okay, for example, we see it is come like this. So in this scenario, if we use a perspective tool, just go for original ratio. Okay, now select a perspective tool here. Okay, select, start, give a start point, end point, start point, and end point. Now do enter. See how the image it was came. Okay, this is a use of perspective tool. Now we will go to next tools. Okay, that is slice tool. The main slice means slicing, a cutting. Okay, uh, pieces. Okay, we have to slice this image into pieces, means just do a right click, give here divide and size options. Okay, select 3 or 4, how you like. Okay, the image is sliced into 16 pieces. Okay, this is a size option. All right, now for this option, you if you want see the options, edit, you can give each image. For example, I am giving this image as a 1. Okay, for this one I can give set 2. Okay, fine. Now the all sliced images you can get by doing or you, yeah, save for web. Okay, all images will come as a png images if you want in a folder. Okay, see in this folder, for example, sliced images. Okay, now go to documents. See, these images are sliced now into 16 pieces. You got it? You could able to see the each image here, right? Understood? Now come back to Photoshop. Here we have one more option, that is slice select. Slice select means you have selected one slice. You have to select the size and you can move it. Okay, in up to now here 4 slices are there in this image on first row. Okay, now I will make one more. Okay, now this is one slice, this is one slice, this is one slice. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 5 it came. The purpose of slice select is you can move it, you can move. See, I'm moving here. Can you able to see here? Selection, you can select what how you want, you can resize it. Okay, this is the purpose of slice select 2. Okay, thank you all, thanks for watching.